Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're sitting in a Fortune 500 security operations center right now, you already know the stakes are incredibly high. We're talking about managing thousands of devices and literally millions of firewall rules. So today, we're tackling the multi-six-figure question that's defining enterprise network security right now: AlgoSec or Tufin. It is the ultimate enterprise face-off.
Okay, let's dive into this and outline exactly how we're going to settle this heavyweight B2B tech debate. We've got 5 rounds lined up. First, the enterprise face-off. Then we hit deployment and operational complexity. Next is pricing and platform resilience, followed by the industry matchups. And finally, we'll wrap the whole shebang up with the final verdict.
Round 1, the enterprise face-off. Let's set the stakes here because both of these are absolute premium platforms built for massive scale.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how both platforms use analytics and AI, but with totally different flavors. AlgoSec leans heavily into what they call operational intelligence. Basically, it's looking to identify risky rules, recommend optimizations, and sniff out policy anomalies. Tufin, on the other hand, focuses on intelligent policy analysis, so detecting violations, suggesting remediation, and finding those pesky redundant rules. But, and this is crucial, the current market reality is that neither solution is a fully AI-native security platform. Well, at least not yet. They're both evolving toward AI-driven operations, so for this specific arena, we're calling it a dead tie.
And you know what? They tie again on the automation front. Both platforms share deep, robust integrations with your standard enterprise toolkit: REST APIs, ServiceNow, Terraform, Ansible, Kubernetes, you name it. They both perform exceptionally well when it comes to policy governance automation across these tools. But this is where things start to diverge.
Which brings us to round 2, deployment and operational complexity. We're shifting focus from shared features to a stark contrast between speed and meticulous design.
Just look at this massive time disparity. AlgoSec takes a clear win here. For a medium enterprise, you can actually be up and running in just 4 to 8 weeks, with large enterprises clocking in around 2 to 4 months. Why? Because AlgoSec is designed for faster, application-centric onboarding and requires way less customization right out of the gate. Tufin, however, Tufin demands some serious governance design work and policy modeling effort before you even really get going. Because of that meticulous upfront design, a medium enterprise is going to take 6 to 12 weeks, and a massive large enterprise could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months to fully deploy.
And that initial setup directly impacts your everyday operations. Honestly, AlgoSec wins heavily on operational simplicity. It's just so much easier for application owners to jump in and use. It boasts better reporting and gives great business context. Though, minor caveat, you might have to spend a little time tuning its application discovery. Tufin, conversely, completely takes the crown for strict governance maturity. You get exceptional governance and incredibly strong policy lifecycle management, but that immense, granular control definitely comes at the cost of a steeper learning curve for your team.
Moving on to round 3, pricing and platform resilience. Let's talk about the enterprise basics and address the elephant in the room: budget and disaster recovery. Let's ground all this abstract tech talk in cold, hard budget reality. Whichever platform you choose, you're looking at a mid-6-figure annual contract. Yeah, it's a hefty investment. Both vendors use highly customized pricing based on device counts, automation modules, compliance add-ons, your cloud environments, the whole 9 yards. While Tufin is sometimes perceived as slightly pricier in extremely large deployments, there's really no clear winner on cost. Both are premium platforms that demand a premium enterprise investment.
But for that mid-6-figure check, you get rock-solid stability. Both platforms easily tie in resilience, satisfying all the strict enterprise requirements you'd expect. We're talking high availability, database redundancy, backup and recovery, and distributed disaster recovery setups. AlgoSec is particularly strong if you've got a distributed hybrid environment, while Tufin is built like an absolute tank for mission-critical governance. When properly architected, both will withstand a disaster without breaking a sweat.
Let's move to round 4, the industry matchups, and see how this builds into specific vertical markets.
Take a second and scan this for your own industry, and I bet you'll instantly see a pattern emerge. Because of those operational differences we just talked about, Tufin completely dominates highly regulated spaces: banking, telecom, government, aviation. They all lean toward Tufin because of its massive policy scale, strict segmentation controls, and really heavy audit compliance. On the flip side, AlgoSec clearly wins out in modernization-focused sectors, places like manufacturing and education, where simpler operations, cloud adoption, and fast application-focused projects are the top priority. And healthcare? Honestly, that could go either way, depending entirely on whether you're pushing hard for a cloud strategy or prioritizing strict compliance governance.
And that brings us to our fifth and final round, the final verdict.
We've seen the deployment times, the massive costs, the industry trends, but it really truly all boils down to one foundational philosophy. This is the ultimate deciding factor, the real multi-six-figure question. For so many Fortune 500 orgs, this single strategic mindset dictates the entire decision. Ask yourself right now, do you manage security around applications, or do you manage security around policies? Whatever your answer is, it reveals exactly which platform you should be buying.
So the crucial point is this. If your primary objective is application modernization, cloud transformation, blazing fast deployments, and just simpler day-to-day operations, meaning you answered applications, then choose AlgoSec. It's going to be a much better fit. But if your main goal revolves around strict security governance, rock-solid compliance, lifecycle control, and large-scale segmentation, meaning you answered policies, then Tufin is definitely the stronger choice.
Remember, both of these are absolutely elite, enterprise-grade platforms capable of handling thousands of devices. Neither one is universally better. The right choice isn't sitting on a feature sheet. It's filtered entirely through your company's specific lens and maturity. It all depends on your business priorities, your security maturity, compliance requirements, your forward-looking cloud strategy, and exactly how your team operates.
Which leads us to our final and absolutely most important piece of advice for this explainer. Before you make a massive decision, you have to run a proof of concept using your actual environment. Seriously, test it with your real firewall rules, your real applications, your real change management processes. That hands-on test is what will ultimately reveal the true operational value before you spend a dime. So as you look at your own SOC today, ask yourself, are you building a fortress of impenetrable governance or an engine for rapid cloud modernization? Because your next six-figure investment depends entirely on the answer.